Kung ilalagay mo lang sa isang bagay, ano yung number one problem sa teeth and sa mouth ng mga tao?
Well, number one pa din by survey is dental caries. Yun yung tooth decay. Halos lahat ng tao merong tooth decay. Lalo sa Pilipinas, napakataas nung rate. Siguro another problem that I would say na hindi natin napapansin is that yung kakulangan ng knowledge about dental health.
Yan.
Okay? Or oral health in general. Kasi parang until now, nakikita natin or tinitingnan natin ang dentistry as parang luxury yan eh. Parang vanity lang yan eh. Nagpapadentist ka kasi may pera ka, number one. Pangalawa, dahil maarte ka, gusto mo magpaganda lang. I think it's a problem, lalo na ngayon that people are watching on their phones and then nakikita lang nila na when you go to the dentist, lalagyan kang braces, lalagyan ka ng veneers, magpapa-teeth whitening ka. Parang very bihira ako nakakakita ng content na nagpapakita ng prevention. Okay, why are they doing it? Ano yung benefit nito in the general health? I think it's a major problem talaga, lalo sa bansa natin, yung kakulangan ng knowledge and yung sobrang konting importance na binibigay natin sa oral health. Hindi lang dental health oral health talaga kasama yung ibang structures ng bibig natin.